Hey guys, today we are going to show you how you could update your Samsung Galaxy S2 GT I9100 to the latest Android 4.0.3 firmware. In order to get started, you need to visit androiddevices.com and then search for XXKPA ICS. Following this, you would get a list of small tips wherein we mention that you need to take a backup of your contacts and all other data. Following which, once you are ready, you need to download the package and then enter the password as Android. Following which, the files will be downloaded onto your computer. Next, you need to get your phone into download mode, the procedure for which is again mentioned on our website, that is androiddevices.com. Once you have brought your phone into the download mode, you need to connect the same to your PC. As you can see that once you have connected your phone to the PC, the driver installation would get started and the system would start searching for the latest drivers for these. Once the drivers are installed, you would find that the COM area would be colored and then you are ready to go. Next, you need to select the PIT file as it's displayed in the article from the files which you have downloaded. Next, the PDF file. Next, the phone. CSC. Once you select all these files, you need to proceed. Click on start to start this process. The installation has started. Meanwhile, you need to make a note that once this installation is done, you need to reboot the phone and then get started into the installation of the kernel file. For this kernel installation, you need to select the PDA and the specific kernel file, though this has to be done once this installation is completed. So let's first wait for this installation to get complete. Here the installation is about to complete. And then the phone is rebooting right now. So the phone has just booted up, and now once we get the home screen, we'll again switch off the device and then get it into the download mode. Since it's the first boot up, the phone will take a longer duration, but it's okay, it's normal because all the settings are being applied for the first time. Right now there is a message on the phone which says installing applications, and as mentioned earlier, since it's the first time, you would also get the welcome screen and all the different options like you would get when you buy a new phone. So you can skip the same and press the power switch and select the power off option. Now the phone is in the power off stage. We'll get it into the download mode. Here the phone is in the download mode, and now we are going to connect it to the PC. And then this time you need to uncheck these options, and under PDA you need to select the kernel file. Once you have done that, you need to click on start. You can also make sure that in order to ensure that you don't get into any mistakes, you can just close this Odin and then rerun the same, because doing this would give you the cleaned area, and you can just select the kernel file in this case and then click on start. Here this is done and the phone is again rebooting. Once this step is done, you need to get your phone into the recovery mode and then select the wipe data or factory reset, and then select the wipe cache partition. Once it is done, you need to reboot your phone and then you are ready to go. You are into the new 4.0.3 firmware. Thanks for watching.